on up to this legal two-family home with an apartment. This home is zoned as a two-family and has a legal in-law apartment. Look at the size of this living room. Look at this darling kitchenette, electric stove, microwave, even room for a little table. This kitchen is full of character and detail and leads to a formal dining room and living room, perfect for your entertaining. Look at this beautiful sparkling pool with diving board. You're going to love this backyard.